Are you dreaming of having a luxury kitchen but don't have a luxury budget? Well, then you've got to watch this entire video. My name's Carrie, a designer here at Penny Modern, and today I'm sharing with you 9 secret hacks that designers use that are going to help you elevate your kitchen to the next level. These tips are inspired by famous celebrity designers like Berkus, Kelly Wearstler, and Joanna Gaines. And they are experts at utilizing every square inch of a kitchen and making it look fabulous. We're going to cover everything from cabinet hacks to backsplash secrets and everything in between. And if you stay until the end, I have 3 of the best money-saving tips at the end, so make sure you stick around for that. Let's get started with our first tip, which is all about kitchen cabinets and how to get that luxury look without the designer price tag. So let's talk cabinets. They're one of the largest visual elements in your entire kitchen, and upgrading them can give the entire space a fresh and high-end look. But don't worry, you don't need to splurge on custom cabinets to get that luxury vibe. According to Joanna Gaines, famous from the Fixer Upper series on HGTV, the key to transforming a space lies in making small changes that have a big impact, like adding custom touches to your cabinetry. Instead of a full replacement, try painting your cabinets. Painting can be a relatively quick and simple process, and it gives the appearance of brand new cabinets without the high cost. You can even try out sophisticated colors like a matte black, navy, or forest green, all of which are trending in luxury kitchen design right now. Or you can stick to a classic white, which can give you a timeless look to your kitchen. Want to add more character? Install crown molding at the top of your cabinets. Kelly Wearstler swears by adding architectural details to spaces. She says crown molding adds elegance and sophistication even in more minimal spaces. Imagine walking into your kitchen and seeing those freshly painted cabinets with a touch of crown molding at the top. Suddenly, your entire space feels elevated and chic, something you'd see in a high-end showroom. Don't forget the hardware either. Matte black or brushed brass handles can make a huge difference, turning basic cabinets into something that looks custom designed. You can even mix and match materials. Think brass handles with marble knobs for added flair. Now let's move to countertops. This is often one of the most expensive areas in a kitchen renovation, just behind the cabinet cost. But there are plenty of ways to achieve that look of a high-end material without the high-end cost. Berkus says, quartz countertops are a game changer. They offer the same beauty as marble, but at a fraction of the price and without the maintenance. And he's right. Quartz is highly durable, scratch resistant, and available in a wide variety of styles that look like your favorite natural stone. You could go for quartz or even solid surface countertops. These materials give you that luxury look without the big price tag. But you also can look at laminate options from like a Home Depot or a Lowe's that might look like Carrara marble or granite. Today's laminates are so advanced, it's hard to tell them apart from real stone. If you can't replace all your countertops, you don't have to either. You could try using countertop paint. Yes, they make special paint specifically for counters. 2 popular brands are Gianni and Heirloom Traditions, which I'll link to below. You can even replicate faux marble veining with some of these paints. These DIY solutions can transform the look of your countertops for as little as maybe $200, and they're really simple to do. Picture your countertops gleaming in a marble finish, catching the light just right, and giving off that polished, sophisticated vibe. Whether you go for real quartz or a clever faux finish, the result is the same: instant luxury. Want to know what the secret ingredient is in any luxury kitchen? It's lighting. As Kelly Wearstler says, lighting is the jewelry of a room. It adds mood, texture, and depth. The right lighting can completely change the feel of your kitchen, making it appear more elegant and inviting. Install pendant lights over your kitchen island. These don't have to be expensive. You can find stunning, budget-friendly options at places like Amazon. I'll link to a few of my favorites below. Home improvement stores or even Facebook Marketplace or eBay are also great affordable sources for lighting. For a modern high-end look, go for pendants with matte black or brushed gold finishes, or choose a globe-style pendant for a contemporary touch. But don't forget about under cabinet lighting. This hidden trick is a designer favorite and instantly elevates the atmosphere in any kitchen and will make it look high-end. Use LED strip lighting from places like IKEA or Amazon underneath your cabinets to brighten up your countertops and make the space feel more luxurious. Warm white tones around 2700K to 3000K are ideal for creating that cozy upscale look. Imagine entering your kitchen in the evening and seeing the soft glow of pendant lights illuminating your island, while under cabinet lights make your countertops shine. It's the kind of ambiance you'd expect in a custom kitchen, but you've achieved it for a fraction of the cost. Bonus tip, for even more impact, consider installing a dimmer switch. This allows you to adjust the lighting based on the time of day or the mood you want to create. Dim lights during dinner or entertaining guests can make your kitchen feel more intimate and luxurious. So if you're planning your own kitchen remodel or just a kitchen makeover, I have a great free resource for you. It is a kitchen budget worksheet, and it's going to help you plan your next remodel. And it basically has almost every single line item that you might spend money on for your kitchen remodel. And it's going to save you time. It might even save you money. And so download your copy for free today at pennymodern.com/freebies, link down in description. Your backsplash is another place where you can add a lot of visual interest without breaking the bank. Nate Berkus advises a kitchen backsplash is an opportunity to add personality and texture to your kitchen. It doesn't have to be expensive to be impactful. Peel and stick backsplash tiles are an affordable way to achieve a designer look. These come in a variety of styles, from classic subway tiles to a luxurious marble look, and they can be installed in a few hours with no grout required. They're also removable, making them a perfect option for renters or anyone looking for a low commitment change. If you prefer a more traditional approach, consider using affordable ceramic tiles in a herringbone or a chevron pattern. These patterns are commonly seen in high-end kitchens, and even basic tiles can look expensive when arranged in these stylish layouts. Picture a backsplash of white subway tiles arranged in a sleek herringbone pattern, reflecting light and adding texture to your kitchen walls. This small change creates an upscale vibe, making the entire kitchen feel more polished. Now let's talk about your appliances and fixtures. Replacing major appliances can be one of the most costly parts of a kitchen remodel, but there are smart ways to update the look of your kitchen without buying new. Leanne Ford, an expert in creating high-end looks with a minimal budget, says, "Sometimes all you need is a coat of paint or new handles to make old appliances look fresh and modern. For an instant upgrade, consider using stainless steel appliance paint. This paint can make your fridge, oven, and dishwasher look like new, high-end stainless steel models. It's an affordable way to refresh the look of your appliances without the need for fully replacing them." Don't underestimate the power of new fixtures. Swapping out old faucets and sinks for modern styles like a brushed brass faucet or a matte black sink can make your kitchen feel brand new. You can find affordable versions of these fixtures pretty much at any big box home improvement store or even Amazon sometimes. Imagine your old appliances gleaming with the fresh coat of stainless steel paint paired with a modern sleek faucet in brushed gold, instantly making your kitchen feel updated and high-end, all for a fraction of the cost of replacing everything. Next, let's tackle flooring. The right flooring can transform your kitchen, but many luxury materials like hardwood or stone come with a very steep price tag. Nate Berkus advises you can achieve a high-end look with affordable materials. It's all about choosing something that feels timeless. Luxury vinyl plank, or LVP flooring, is an excellent alternative to hardwood. It mimics the look of natural wood or stone, but it's much more affordable and it's very easy to maintain. Plus, LVP is waterproof, which is perfect for kitchens. You can actually install LVP right over existing tile, so it makes it a great DIY project to keep your costs down. If you're looking for an even more budget-friendly option, consider painting your floors. There are very durable floor and concrete paints that you can give your existing floors a fresh, custom look. You could even stencil design if you're feeling brave, but you can just paint right over existing tile and it'll change the look of your floor. Imagine stepping into your kitchen with a stunning wood look vinyl plank floor that brings warmth and elegance to your space, or a bold painted pattern that gives your floor a unique high-end feel. As promised, here are those 3 bonus money-saving hacks to complete your kitchen's luxury transformation. But first, make sure you hit subscribe if you would like to learn how to decorate your home like a pro on a budget you can afford, because that's what we're all about here at Penny Modern. So our first money-saving hack is to shop secondhand for statement pieces. As Kelly Wearstler says, vintage and secondhand pieces bring an element of individuality and luxury into a space. You can check out local thrift stores or online marketplaces like a Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist for vintage bar stools, light fixtures, or even high quality used appliances. Next up is DIY open shelving. If you have really terrible upper cabinets, consider just ripping them out and replacing it with open shelving for a low budget hack. This is a favorite trick of Joanna Gaines as well as Shay McGee for high impact and low cost. It not only opens up the space, but it gives you a stylish way to display beautiful dishware or kitchen accessories. And then we have upgrading small accessories. Sometimes it's the little things that can make a big difference. Add designer style accessories like ceramic jars, wooden cutting boards, or vintage cookbooks to create a luxury feel. These very small but inexpensive touches can elevate your entire space. Joanna Gaines' line, Hearth and Hand at Target, has really cute kitchen accessories like ceramics and wood cutting boards that are both affordable and stylish. So if you want to learn how to decorate your home like a pro on a budget you can actually afford, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to download your free kitchen budget worksheet, and that's over at pennymodern.com/freebies. And now that you know how to get that luxury look to your kitchen for less, wouldn't you like to know how to get a timeless look for your kitchen for less? So make sure you watch this next video, which is all about timeless kitchen design ideas to help you get that timeless look and make your kitchen last for the next 10 or 20 years.